Full-stack development is a rewarding career path that combines front-end creativity with back-end logical thinking. This guide will help you navigate this exciting tech journey. Complete package. A full-stack developer works on all aspects of web applications. They handle both what users see and what happens behind the scenes. Versatile skills. These developers bridge the gap between design and system architecture. They ensure all parts of an application work together seamlessly. End-to-end knowledge. They understand the complete web development process. This includes client-side interfaces and server-side operations. Growth rate. Projected increase in demand by 2024 according to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Hiring speed. Companies fill full-stack positions twice as fast as specialized roles. Median salary. Competitive compensation reflects high market demand. HTML. Foundation of web structure. CSS. Styling and responsive design. JavaScript. Core programming for interactivity. Frameworks. React, Angular, Vue.js. Programming languages. Python, Java, C++, and C# form the backbone of server-side operations. Each offers unique advantages for different applications. Frameworks. Node.js and Express.js simplify server-side development. They streamline the creation of robust back-end systems. Business logic. Understanding data processing and authentication is crucial. These elements power the functionality behind user interfaces. SQL databases. PostgreSQL and MySQL offer robust relational data storage. They excel at structured data with clear relationships. NoSQL databases. MongoDB provides flexible document storage. It's ideal for unstructured or semi-structured data needs. Query optimization. Efficient database queries improve application performance. This skill separates novices from professionals. Data security. Protecting sensitive information is paramount. Encryption and access controls safeguard user data. Design. Create RESTful or GraphQL API architectures. Connect. Link front-end and back-end systems seamlessly. Implement. Build CRUD operations for data management. Secure. Protect endpoints with authentication protocols. Authentication and authorization. Implement secure login systems. Create role-based access controls. Maintain session security. Attack prevention. Guard against SQL injection. Prevent cross-site scripting. Validate all user inputs. Data protection. Implement TLS HTTPS. Apply data encryption. Secure API endpoints. User research. Conduct needs assessments and interviews to understand user expectations. Wireframing. Create structural blueprints that outline application flow and functionality. Visual design. Develop intuitive, accessible interfaces that delight users. Usability testing. Refine designs based on real user feedback and behavior analysis. Clean code. Write maintainable, readable code. Follow consistent naming conventions and structure. Simplify complex operations. Version control. Master Git for tracking changes. Create meaningful commit messages. Collaborate through branches and pull requests. Debugging. Develop analytical troubleshooting skills. Isolate issues systematically. Fix root causes, not just symptoms. Create portfolio projects that demonstrate your skills. Build complete applications using the MERN stack. Share your code through well-documented GitHub repositories. Self-directed learning. Begin with free resources like FreeCodeCamp and Codecademy. Create structured learning plans. Practice consistently with coding challenges. Formal education. Consider boot camps for intensive training. University degrees provide theoretical foundations. Online courses offer flexibility and specialized knowledge. Practical experience. Build personal projects to apply skills. Contribute to open source. Create a portfolio showcasing your capabilities. Cloud certifications. AWS Certified Developer and Microsoft Azure Developer validate cloud expertise. They demonstrate platform-specific knowledge to employers. Continued education. Stay current with evolving technologies. Follow industry trends through online courses. Update skills regularly. Community engagement. Join Stack Overflow and GitHub discussions. Share knowledge and learn from peers. Build your professional network. Junior developer. $80,000 average annual salary. Entry-level position with opportunities to learn multiple technologies. Full stack developer. $120,000 average annual salary. Versatile role spanning both client-side and server-side development. Senior developer. $150,000 average annual salary. Leadership role with advanced technical expertise and mentoring responsibilities. Lead developer. $180,000 average annual salary. Strategic role overseeing development teams and technical direction. Full stack development offers numerous career paths. Roles span from software engineering to DevOps. Skills remain in demand across tech-driven industries. Start learning. Begin with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Build projects. Apply skills to real-world applications. Join communities. Connect with other developers. Launch career. Apply for jobs and continue growing. The journey to becoming a full-stack developer requires dedication. Combine technical, design, and analytical skills. Embrace lifelong learning for continued growth.